Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about top 5 home products you can buy off of Amazon.com. This list is really made off of just a bunch of ideas I've had when I moved into my home, and I just wanted to buy different things. I really didn't know what to buy, what I would need. Now I had some time to think about it and see my different options, so I just wanted to give you guys an insight of what you could buy, what's on Amazon. I want to start off with the smart coffee table. A lot of people don't even know these things exist. This was pretty cool. Has a built-in refrigerator, has a built-in USB charging port, has storage drawers that you can actually use, to store your controllers, maybe charging cables, and it has a built-in speaker. Look how big that speaker is. It's really nice. It sounds great, and it has LED lights on it as well. So, it can really set the mood. However you want to do it, it's just a nice centerpiece. Definitely fits well with anybody's setup in their home. Anyways, back to the list. The next thing on our list is Nanoleaf. The Nanoleaf panels. I'm pretty sure you've seen these before, especially if you go to Best Buy. These things are being all over the place in Best Buy. You can make a lot of shapes with them. You can make a heart, or these are just basic examples that they have. You can connect up to 30 panels off of one controller. And let's see right here. This is basically your starter pack. And this one's actually the rhythm edition. So basically, you play music, the lights are going to go with the music. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so the next thing on the list is a smart lock. Everybody should get a smart lock. I feel like you should get one. I know a lot of people are against it, but I just like the fact that I don't have to pull out my keys when I get home, or if I want my girlfriend to come over and just to pick up something or just to come hang out, she can go ahead and just use the code that I give her, And if you want to change the code, you can. There's no big deal about it. You also put a fingerprint scanner on there. Well, this one actually has a built-in fingerprint scanner. This one has a bunch of features on it. It's really nice. It's kind of pricey, but I think it's definitely worth it. That's definitely a good investment. I also like the fact that it has a keyhole just in case you do forget. Just in case the battery dies, you don't want to be locked out. But anyways, next on the list is the Marshall Woburn speaker. Love this speaker. I love this brand. I just love the way it looks and the way it sounds. I currently use the Kilburn 2. This little speaker down here for my surround sound, for like my bass. And it just sounds great. I love it. I definitely plan on buying the bigger one soon. But anyways, last on my list is a security system for your home, specifically a camera security system. Now you can buy any camera you want. You can go to Home Depot, you can go to Best Buy, you can go literally anywhere and buy a cheaper camera. I chose Lorex because they definitely have top-notch products. And they have some features that I just love. Like this right here, if you could tell, it has a speaker grill on the bottom, basically because it has an alarm that goes off when someone passes this camera. This right here, let me see if I can actually show it. You can see the camera on the left, and on the right is a sensor, motion sensor, and it also has lights in the bottom. So if anybody walks in front of this camera, that light's going off, that speaker's going off. So there's an alarm that goes off, so people know that you're watching. You can actually speak to somebody through this camera as well. So it's definitely a nice setup. It's a little pricey, but I definitely think it's worth it. On top of that, you're not paying anything monthly. Everything is through the 2 terabyte hard drive that is built into this. I think it's called HDR or DVR. I really don't know what it's called, but yeah, this is they're definitely a good investment. Definitely don't want intruders to feel like you're not protected. But yeah, this is my top 5 home products you can get off of Amazon. I'm going to be leaving all the links down below. So if you liked anything on this list, just check them out. Please stay tuned for more content. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.